best day ever. One of my favorite things in real estate, probably yours too, is a townhouse that is not a condo. No condo fees. Not all renovations are created equal. You gotta look at the details. Look at how the baseboards speak. Look at the floors and how they're meeting. Look at how bright and spacious it is in here. We got windows at the front, we got windows at the back, letting in tons of natural light. The kitchen has everything you need, and you have the ideal cooking triangle with 3 different sections of countertop in here. We also have this beautiful breakfast bar in addition to your dining area. We have stainless steel appliances that are new to this home and a beautiful textured subway tile backsplash. Upstairs, we have 2 great sized rooms and a full 4-piece bathroom. Downstairs, we have an open living space, the 3rd bedroom, window may not meet egress, and a laundry room and half bath combo. The backyard does not disappoint, with a parking pad big enough for a car and a half, and a beautiful, solid deck. It looks just as good in person as it does in the pictures in the video, I guarantee it. This home is 100% move-in ready, and it was renovated with love. If you're interested, give me a call.